Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must be signed in with an administrator account. This is required to change firewall state. First, open settings quickly by pressing Start and typing Settings, then Enter. Once the Settings app is open, go to Privacy and Security and then click Windows Security. This lands you in the Security Hub where Firewall controls live. Make sure Windows is updated enough to show these options. If not, update and restart. Now you're positioned to access the Firewall panel and take the next actionable step. Inside Windows Security, click Firewall and Network Protection to see profiles for domain, private, and public networks. You'll act on the currently active profile. Select the profile labeled Active, then toggle Microsoft Defender Firewall off. Confirm any UAC prompt because you're changing a system setting. This disables inbound filtering for that specific profile. It does not remove Defender entirely. Once done, check the status text to ensure it reads off. Make sure you only disable when necessary and understand the exposure change. After toggling off, verify the Firewall and Network Protection page shows off for the selected profile so rules are inactive. If applications fail to connect, make sure you either add specific inbound exceptions or re-enable the firewall and add required exceptions. This controls exposure while fixing access. If the toggle won't change or reverts, restart the PC, run a system file check with sfc/scano from an elevated command prompt, and then try again. Keep security implications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.